How to sell products online using WooCommerce, WordPress plugin for creating a webshop. You will learn how to create an online store completely by yourself. Everything you need to know about WooCommerce in just 20 minutes. First of all, it is necessary to install the WooCommerce plugin. Then we fill in some basic data regarding store. If you want, you can use some additional features. Let's go to the basic settings. First, we enter the general data. Then you need to select General options from the drop-down menu, and information about taxes and coupons in the checkboxes. Currency options are the last part in the General section of the settings. In the Product section, it is necessary to define a shop page. Shop page is the page where all products from the website will be listed. Details related to add to cart functionality should also be defined here, as well as details related to measurements, reviews and product ratings. Image 137 is defined for the placeholder image, which is automatically created by installing WooCommerce, and is displayed in cases where no image is defined for the product. We will adjust the shipping later. The payment section is used to define the payment method on the webshop. By default, some of the options are displayed, and we will set up the possibility of payment via cash on delivery. The Accounts and Privacy tab contains a lot of options for these things. By default, the most common settings are set, and you can change them if you want. The Email tab allows customization for emails on the webshop. There are a number of emails, and this is where they are edited. The integration includes max-min geolocation, but we will not use this in our tutorial. Advanced section allows us to define cart, checkout, my account, and terms and conditions pages. Predefined pages are automatically created by installing WooCommerce. Checkout and account endpoints are also defaulted. You can change them if you want, but we won't change anything here. The shop page that should list all our products is empty, so let's go to product creation. We enter product name and description. Then we set the product image here. If you have more images for the product, you can add a gallery. If you have more products, it will be necessary to categorize them. This is where you create categories and place products in them. Grouping products using tags, in a similar way as for blog posts, can be done, but we will not add them. These are some options provided by the Astra theme we use on this site. We will not change anything there. There are several types of products, and we will now create a simple product that we will transform into a variable product in the rest of this tutorial. If the products are virtual or downloadable, you can define that here. Now we set the regular price of the product, and if the sale price lower than the regular price, we will define it here. The duration of the discounted price can be defined automatically. In the inventory part, we can define the SKU. It is not required, but it is useful to have this value as a unique product indicator. Checking the option Track Stock Quantity for this product will open a field for entering the quantity of the product you have. In our case, we will define that we have 10 products, and this number will automatically decrease as the product is sold, and if the defined quantity is sold out, users will not be able to buy this product. If you want to sell the product even though it is not in stock, you can define it in this section. Allow backorders. Low stock threshold allows you to automatically receive a notification when the number of products in stock reaches a certain amount. If you want to limit the maximum purchase of one item per purchase, check this checkbox. Weight and dimensions can be set in the shipping section. The values you enter here will also be displayed to users on the product page in the Additional Information tab. The shipping class option will be clearer later when we set the shipping options on the store. In the linked product section, you can manually specify products for upsell and cross-sell. This can be extremely useful for increasing the cart amount. For example, if a user buys hair shampoo, you can also recommend a conditioner that he might not have intended to buy. Attributes are used to define product variations. For example, blue, green, purple shampoo. For now, we will not change anything here, and in the continuation of the tutorial, we will practically define attributes. Advanced part allows options for purchases note, menu order, and review. In Get More Options, you can find recommended extensions. When we have finished entering the product, we will publish it and see how it looks from the website visitor point of view. We will create 11 more products in the same way to show you other functionalities. We created a total of 12 products in 3 categories: shampoos, hair gels, and nail polishes. As you can see, on our website we already have several basic pages in the main menu, but no menu items through which you can get to the products that can be added to the cart and bought later. We're going to update this menu, and before that, we'll look at the list of all the products we've created via the URL. We will rearrange the menu so that we put the basic pages under one roof menu item that we will name our story. Now we will add the 3 product categories we have and place them at the top of the menu. We will save the changes and see how our menu looks now. We already have a functional web shop, but there are still many things that can improve it. As you can see, after adding the product to the cart page is automatically displayed to the user, after which the user chooses further steps. This part of the process can be optimized by installing a plugin that will enable the display of the side cart, as well as the display of the cart in the main navigation. Click Add New Plugin, then type Side Cart Ajax in the search field. Install and activate the first plugin from the search results. A side cart section will appear in the left navigation. Clicking on it will open the Customize options. On the right side you can see how the side cart looks by default, and on the left side you can change the design and functionality that will be automatically displayed on the right side in the preview. After we have done the customizations, you can see how the Add to Cart works now. Also, we've placed a cart in the main navigation, so that users have another place to click to see the shopping cart. Since the colors are not exactly matched with the colors we use on the site, in the Style section of the plugin we will make additional adjustments in order to adapt the design of the cart to the design of the website. The next, very important thing that we will explain are coupons. Coupon is a discount code that customers enter during the checkout to receive discount on their order. With coupons, you can offer discounts on individual products, whole order, or shipping costs. Also, you can promote specific products or product categories, or to reward loyal customers. Let's go to create a coupon code. First of all, from the drop-down list you need to select the type of coupon, then the coupon amount and rule for free shipping, and finally the expiration date. In the usage restriction part, there are a lot of useful settings. We will define that the coupon code can be used on orders greater than £50, and we will not use other restrictions. Usage limits has 3 additional options, but we will not change anything. The name of the coupon code is the value that the user must enter in the coupon input field in order to receive the benefits of the coupon. The description is optional, but you can briefly explain the value of the coupon here. Now, when we go back to our cart and enter the name of the coupon code we created, the benefit will be applied. Since we now have a benefit that stimulates spending over £50, it would be good for users to have that information on the website, so we will use a sticky header element in which we will communicate this information. In the plugin search field, type header sticky, then install and activate this plugin. You will notice that some options are only available in the paid version, but in the free version of this plugin we can do what we need. In the header we will define text that communicates the benefit we have for users. After adjusting the colors and design, let's see how it looks now on our webshop. We will set up shipping for the whole world. One shipping price, £5, will be for the United Kingdom, and another price, £10, for the rest of the world. Additionally, shipping will be free to all customers if the total amount of the order exceeds £100. By clicking on Add Shipping Zone we add a new shipping zone. First, we'll set up the rules for the United Kingdom. We choose the shipping method, in our case flat rate, to set the price of £5. After that we select the edit option inside the shipping method we created. Tax status is predefined as taxable and we will leave it at that. In the cost field we enter a price of £5. We are also adding a new shipping method for free shipping. For that shipping method, we will set a rule for the minimum order amount. Apply minimum order rule before coupon amount will not be checked in our case. Finally, we add the zone where these shipping methods will be applied. The name of this zone will be UK. We save everything we have done and go to create shipping for the rest of the world. The process is the same, only the price in the case of the rest of the world will be £10, instead of the £5 we defined for the UK. Let's see how what we made looks like from the user's point of view. When we selected United Arab Emirates as the shipping country, the only shipping option is a flat rate of £10, as we defined it that way. If we increase the amount of the cart to over £100, another method for free shipping will appear. Since we now have another great benefit on the webshop, we will add the information in the header note that shipping is free for all orders over £100. Let's complete one order, so we can see how the whole purchase process looks like now. We enter the first and last name. Company name is an optional field and we skip it. For the country, we have been given the data from the cart overview here, but that can be changed. If the delivery address is changed, the order details on the right will be automatically updated. Street, number, and town are necessary in order to realize the delivery, so they are mandatory fields. The same applies to the phone number and email address. If the user's address is different from the one entered, another can be defined after checking this checkbox. Order note is an optional field where the customer can freely write some important information that is important for delivery. Since cash on delivery is the only available option, the user does not have the option of choosing a payment method, but for example, you also have card payment in addition to this payment method. Both options will be displayed here and the user would choose how he wants to pay the amount of the cart. Above the Place Order option, there is a text related to the privacy policy, within which the privacy policy page is automatically linked. This link is automatically created based on the settings in the privacy page within the Settings section. After a successfully created order, the user sees a success screen with the details of the order, and at the same time, an order is created in the back office with all the data entered by the user. Also, in the product that was previously sold, you can see that the number of products in stock has decreased. Now we will show how to make product variations. You will need it if you have same product in several variations. For example, in several colors or sizes. First of all, it is necessary to select that the product type is variable product. Then open the Attributes tab. After writing the name of the attribute, enter the value separated by a straight line. In this example, we defined variations of two attributes, for color and size. Now we open the Variations tab in order to create all the variations and do the settings for them. Variations can be added manually or automatically generated. This is what manual addition looks like. When automatic generation is selected, all variations will be automatically generated. For each of the variations you can separately define the details related to it. After we have finished everything and saved the changes, we will see how the product page looks now. At the end of the video, we will show you how product reviews can be left and how website administrators manage them. There are 4 mandatory fields for the person leaving the review. Rating, from 1 to 5 stars, field for free text entry, name and email address. After successfully posting a comment, the user sees information that his review is awaiting approval. After approval, reviews are visible on the product page to all visitors. If you have any additional questions for WooCommerce, write in the comments, and if you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe.